Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your QuickBooks Desktop company file with auto data recovery step by step clearly. Start by ensuring QuickBooks is closed on your computer. Locate the folder where your QuickBooks company file is stored. Find the file with a .qbw extension. This is your main company file. To begin the recovery process, find the Auto Data Recovery folder. The Auto Data Recovery folder is typically found in the same directory as the company file. In this folder, look for files that have the same name as your company file. These files will have extensions of .adr and .qbw. Copy both the .adr and .qbw files to another location on your computer for safety. Next, navigate back to the original location of your company file. Rename the current company file by adding old at the end of the file name. This step will ensure you have a backup of the original file. Now, return to the Auto Data Recovery folder. Rename the copied .qbw file to the original company file name. Moving forward, ensure you only copy the .qbw file, as this contains the latest data. Open QuickBooks and select the option to open a company file. Browse to the location where you renamed the .qbw file. Select the file and click Open. Check to ensure all your data is intact in the restored file. If everything looks good, you can delete the older company file if you wish. If there are any discrepancies, you may have to look for an alternate backup. Regularly backup your company files in the future to avoid similar issues. Your QuickBooks company file should now be successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.